Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is King Haikal Faiz and I'm from Department of Information Technology. In this video, I want to talk about my dream job in IT industry and let's see. My dream job in IT industry is to be a UI UX designer. Uh, First, have you ever used an app or website that looks nice and easy to use? That is because you are UX designer. They make sure everything looks good and works well. Without them, apps and website would be confusing. UI UX designer means UI is user interface and UX is user experience. UI is about how things looks like colors, buttons, and text. UX is about how things work, like how easy it is to use an apps or website. A UI/UX designer makes sure a website or app is both beautiful and simple to use. So, what UI/UX designers do? Number one is user research. UI/UX designers study users to understand their needs and problems. They collect feedback and observe how people use apps or websites. This helps them to create better design. Number two is wireframing and prototyping. Before making the final design, they create simple layouts called wireframes. Then they build interactive prototype to test how things work before development. Number three is visual design. They decide on the colors, fonts, icons, and layout to make an app or website look attractive and easy to use. Number four is usability testing. They test the design with real users to see if everything works as expected. If user face difficulties, they improve the design to make it more user friendly. Number five is collaboration. UI UX designer work closely with developers, product managers, and other designers. They share ideas, give feedback, and ensure the final product matches the intended design. To be a good UI UX designer, you need this skill. First is creativity, like imagination, like designing beautiful and unique user interface that catch people's attention. Number two is user research, like is understanding how user think and feel to create a better design. Number three is technical knowledge or hard skill. It's like skill to use tools like Figma, Photoshop, Adobe, Sketch, CorelDRAW, and maybe and many like that to create and refine design. Number four is problem solving. It's like finding issues in a design and coming up with the best solution. Number five is communication. It's like you will explain your idea in a team and you will work well with a team. So you need this skill to be a good UI UX designer. Number six is attention to detail. It's like small change in colors, spacing, or typography can improve the overall design and usability. UI UX designer play an important role in technology. They make digital product better and easier to use. They work in industry like e-commerce, healthcare, education, and banking. A well-designed website or apps can increase user satisfaction and helps a business to success. Without UI UX designer, many apps or website would be difficult to use. I choose a UI UX designer for my dream job because I love beauty and aesthetic and art. I like working with the colors, shape, element, layout, and everything uh, would be like great or beautiful and art. And I like to create something to looks great. Even though I may not be the best at art, but I love creativity and design. UI UX designer lets me mix art with the technology. I can make things that are beautiful and useful. So to reach my dream job, I will learning step by step. I will practice using design tools like Figma, um, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Sketch, and maybe like that. And I will also learn about user research, wireframing, and prototyping. I will study different apps and websites to see what makes them good or bad. And I will take online course, read books, and work on project to improve my skills. And I will also plan to create a portfolio and apply to internship to get experience. So UI UX designer is more than a job. It helps people to use technology easily. Every great apps or website needs a great design, and I want to be a part of that. Maybe that's all about my dream job. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, everyone.